Good morning, friends. This is CA Sharup Ghosh from Stock Show Deck. Last week I was busy in developing a lot of advanced techniques, so I could not publish any video. So this video is for all of you who are really actively interested in the stock market. Now let us start off with Nifty. What is the view? Because Nifty has a bull run from right from March, and it looks to be unstoppable. Now every time it is reaching to a high, it is breaching. See, this is the time. This is Nifty is actually just a minute. Every time it is reaching a high, and then it is going up. Reaching a high, then it is going up. So basically each time, if you look at Nifty, has all these characteristics at the moment. So there is a lot of steam in this. But how long the Nifty will go up, that is the biggest question. In my opinion, in the coming week, Nifty is in a very decisive role. Now I will do one thing. I will just help you to understand how Nifty would go. Let's say at this particular level I am seeing a bull trap. Why? Let me see these lines. Nifty is on a bull trap, which means that it should either, it has got 2-3 phenomena. At this particular high, you have 4 rejections here, 4 higher tops, and here. So therefore this particular line has a very big significance of why Nifty is not able to cross that line. If you look at history, Nifty is not resisting after a big candle. If you look at the pattern, this is the big pattern, this is a big pattern. I'm referring to this particular candle. Now in this particular pattern, Nifty always follows a pattern. In this pattern, after this big candle, it slowly went up. So slowly went up, but then again you have a resistance, and then it is coming down. But in this particular move, you see there are 2 gaps up back to back, which is actually a strong indicator. But there are 4 rejections also. So as a trader, what should we do? See, Nifty is monthly bullish, weekly bullish, and also in daily it is bullish. So this, I am expecting a trend halt, at least a decent correction before it really moves on. Now tomorrow, if let's say your Nifty is actually has gapped up, so what will I do? So if Nifty gaps up above this, then the range would be about this, your 14,585 to 14,700, 800. Okay, so let's say 14,600 to 14,800 is the next stop. And if it gaps down, which I am seeing a bull trap line here, we know our students know how to measure a bull trap. And then if the trap works, we only work on levels. If the trap works, it will come down. It will come down to where? Here it will get a support here, and then if the support breaks, it will come down. Okay, so in this particular zone, for me it's a no trade zone. Okay, at least in index. Now I will also show you how another technique, how a pitchfork diagram can be drawn to find out the trend line resistance and support. It is much easier for us to really draw a pitchfork diagram, which is also based on Fibonacci rules. So once it's a pitchfork diagram is drawn, you should know how to draw it properly. And let me remove the few lines here. On the pitchfork diagram, if you see Nifty here, so in this scenario, let me little bit widen it. These are all let's say I will show you the levels here. Now these levels are, let's say, these are all Fibonacci levels, 0.38, 52, 618 and all those. These are all Fibonacci levels, now we have removed this clutter, and to find out at what level Nifty is here. Nifty is at 618 level, and this is blue line is your 0.5 support equilibrium zone. So this, if Nifty goes above, so up to this line, again you will have a trend line resistance here at 14,000. okay, and then if it breaks, then only it will move. So there are various ways and techniques to really understand the support and resistance. The stock market is fully about support and resistance, nothing else. So if you know the Fibonacci, then you will become a champion in stock market. You don't have to see anything, because Fibonacci, it is also based on Fibonacci numbers, and Fibonacci works like magic. And therefore I would recommend everybody to understand Fibonacci, because the entire theory of stock market largely respects Fibonacci with undisputedly. So Fibonacci one must know if one want to survive in the stock market. Now coming to this, so this is all about Nifty. So we will be watching for Nifty to break this four times resistance, and resistance is a resistance as long it does its job. So therefore if it comes down, comes back, Nifty will go for a correction. And at this particular level, why do you think the Nifty has moved from this particular line? I will show you the line here. Look, so look at the green line here, 618. So Nifty has exactly reversed from this particular line, 618. So therefore Fibonacci works like magic. So therefore that's the reason you should be learning more on Fibonacci. Now that's all about Nifty. So Bank Nifty is weaker than Nifty, and I am seeing metal, energy, all other sectors are actually on a very decisive zone. In few of the sectors have already started resisting, and it means a correction is overdue, which is going to happen very soon, it looks like. And look at the market in the last week. So trade carefully. So let's move on to our aspects, our stocks setup. So on 22nd, this is Indigo we have picked up. On 22nd we had a diamond candle here in Indigo. Okay, so Indigo, after a downtrend, there was a consolidation here. That's the reason we were watching. And then when this particular level, at this particular level, we have a diamond candle, we have entered here in Indigo, and we have taken the ride. We moved out or moved out of the trade. We have entered about at 1530, 1536, and we moved out on this particular second candle. So this is about 1598, 1600. So from 1540 to 1600, how much is the point? 1550, 1600 is 60 points. It's a 60 points into 500 rupees lot. Just imagine, in one trade we have actually made 30,000 rupees, but we made much more. Why I am telling you? I will show you the entire setup, then you will understand. So this is our usual Stockshow setup. You will always get when you become part of Stockshow family. So, and this is our golden ride. Why you have taken the ride? Why you have taken the entry here? Because this is the point where we have a golden cross here, and then thereafter the line is rising and rising. Okay. So these are all based on our Nikala rule. You see the Neel, Kala and Lal, Neel, Kala and Lal. So based on our Nikala rule, we have actually entered and exited into the trade. Okay, now this is our usual stock show setup. If you do not have this setup, how it will look like? You do not know exactly when to enter, and you would have probably entered in a wrong place, and you would have risked your life, your money, without this particular setup. So therefore this particular setup actually gives you the diamond. It collects the diamond and tell you where to trade. Now we have, in the meantime, we have lot of research and development, which I will show you in the next slide. So this is the Indigo setup with our newly developed level of stock show version 7 and CA Swaroop Zoom Trend. What are these things? Now these things, and we also have developed this OM option mastery, which actually tells you, gives you the ability to choose the RSI level at 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour in particular one chart. Along with that, you can choose your sector. So basically this is Indigo. So therefore in Indigo belongs to a service sector, so we have chosen a service sector. You can always choose metal, you can always choose Nifty. So this is basically, you can always choose. Okay, so therefore you can always connect the stock to the particular sector. Okay, now this looks to be clumsy to you, so you can always, you have the ability to switch off and switch on, which I normally do. What line I want, what line I don't want at particular level. Okay, so those are the things you have to do that, and this is quite advanced, and this is being used by few of the big guys, big money, who has actually who have been using this kind of setup. Now the speciality of this particular setup is, supposing the setup is not there. Okay, let me switch it off. You see, whenever there is a change in trend here in this particular level, I will show you here. Now in this particular level there is an indicator here. Okay, now whenever the trend was weak, it actually gives you in advance. What? That the trend is changing. So dear, you have to be careful, and it always changes the color, and also it gives you an indicator. Now supposing, now I will switch on with this stock show setup, and then let me switch it off. See, our stock show setup combining with this will not allow you to get into the trade at this moment. Okay, so this trend indicator always gives you, although as per stock show setup right at this moment it is in the side trend and Nikkei rule has not been satisfied, so I will not get into this, but this trend indicator actually in advance tells you that you can make a short here, and then you can ride the trend. Okay, so if you look at this trend, you will always get in advance the particular signal. So whenever, instead of Indigo once we have entered in 1536, 1537 this level, actually we have entered at this particular level 154. So basically we got 30 rupees more than what in the normal setup will give. Okay, these are very advanced setup, and then when to get out of this trade, there is a rule again. So therefore Indigo has become weak at this particular stage. So become weak does not mean that you have to immediately sell it. There are rules like our Nikkei rules. So therefore here the Indigo has become weak, the green color has changed into red color, so you can peacefully see, even what I should do as an option trader, whenever it reaches at a particular level or bull trap level, we will be taking a put, and so therefore we buy at cheap and sell at highest price. This is how you should use this particular setup. Along with that, this is the OM setup I was saying, that even you can always adjust this particular RSI to really find out that what the Nifty what is the momentum, because unless there is a speed and momentum, speed and momentum is absolutely necessary, but speed is with useless without once there is no direction. So here I got a speed in this particular setup, I got a speed, I got a momentum here because it is rising. So with speed and momentum we have entered into the trade and we have actually caught a big trend. So, and it is very useful for even intraday traders. 1 or 2 days I will take it today and tomorrow I will release. Even if it is intraday, it's a 1 or 2 day call which really builds your capital in a big way. Okay, so these are indicators. We separately sell it off. For pricing and other things you can contact me, and it is also in the below video link, you will get it. I will show you another few things which really works like magic. So these are the three kind of scanners. This blue line, this black line which I was talking about, this particular line, this signal, this scanner actually will scan this kind of trend scanner. This is separate, and this is lightning move. Lightning move is why it is indigo lightning move. I will show you why it is lightning move, what is meant by that. In intraday trading and in any trading, do I have a setup which can give me a very explosive movement at that particular time? Answer is yes. Why? Because answer is yes, because if you look at this level, whenever this line is basically becoming like a single rope, the difference between these two is very small. It will look like a single line, like this single line. You get very explosive move, and it gives you it gives you an advanced signal that at this particular, when you are at this particular zone, you will get this signal. Where you will get this signal? Probably when you are in this particular zone, you will get an advanced signal that how basically it is going to give you a move. So it's a very money making tool, big money making tool, which gives you early signal. This is the signal. Ichimoku will give you only a prediction. Balance are all lagging indicator. This is the leading indicator. So therefore, with this setup, you can always actually predict that what is your next couple of moves. So therefore, here at this particular level, we got a signal in advance that it is going to Nifty, it is going to have a good move. So this Ichimoku setup is a part of our Stoxo 7 setup, and what are the stocks which had this kind of move that is coming up? It will be listed here. Let's say, for example, let's move it to Tata Motor. You see Tata Motor here. So automatically everything is everything is changed. So therefore here also you can change it to different different kind of timeline. Let's say Tata Motor in 5 minutes chart is a very move. You see, this has become like a rope. This has become like a rope. Are you seeing? So I am seeing a big Tata Motor has become a single single line rope. So therefore here I am expecting a very big move on the opening hour. It might work, might not work. We'll apply our own setup and do it. But this actually will give you in running market where are the opportunities where you can make money. Okay, so you can buy this scanner, you can buy this scanner, you can buy this scanner. This is also this is also another scanner which actually gives you these three scanners does 3 different things. This particular scanner will give you lightning scanner, will give you lightning move at that particular time. Then once you have the common thing available here, that means your trend has changed, and then you are also having a lightning move. That's a bingo. This is how I trade normally. You see indigo here and indigo here, so that means at indigo, I will have a good money. You watch it on Monday. I will have a good money here on indigo. Okay, so I have a lightning setup here, and in indigo, see, it has already given me a signal here, and I have also what you have here already. I have got a diamond explosive signal here, so therefore it has already gone up, and there is further scope of going up, because I have a very single kind of explosive move is awaiting. Okay, so this is how you should do. So these are all three different scanners which are very useful to make money. What is our purpose? Our purpose is to make money, and our purpose is to have a setup that really works in running market. Okay, you can say that I am a swing trader. Okay, then you can always change your time frame here, and then find it out. You can always scan it through hourly chart, scan it through daily chart, scan it through 30 minutes chart, depending on what kind of trader you are or what kind of setup you are looking at. And if you start you take options, that will be a bingo. And here, this is another trade, another setup that we have: son from father, son, grandfather, father and son, which actually gives you the ability of setting up different kind of RSI level in one single view. Along with that, you have a sector view. You not only have that ability here, also I would like to find out, if you want, see, in our normal setup you will only have the ADX golden right. Okay, this your basically trend strength is given by ADX. So therefore this trend strength you will be getting it here. So in this particular particular setup, if I say, let's say, I will not like to see, I would only like to see the strength strength of the trend. So therefore what I will do is, I will let's say, okay, let me show you one thing. Now what I will do is, I will just switch off the red green color and red color. Okay, and then the chart becomes very easy. So this is the trend. This particular line, yellow line, you see, this yellow line is the strength of the trend. So at this particular level, the strength was not there too much. So therefore here, so strength, so it will go up in a flash, and then it might come down. So that's the indication. Okay, unless the trend continues to rise upward. Okay, now, and also you have a Bollinger Band squeeze squeeze indication here. So there are a lot of things that this particular information carries, and this is a combination of these two indicators. Okay, so you can have a combined indicator, and then supposing you are not happy with this, you also want, along with these things, I also want a scanner in one go. Okay, so for that we have we have developed that in one particular chart, I should have my scanner, my trend, my my volatility, momentum, everything, and I should be able to just go and blindly trade. Yes, we have a facility here. So we have developed this particular scanner. Now in this particular scanner, as I said, you can always adjust the clutter if you don't want to see a lot of things. So therefore here if we click, we can always set the father, grandfather, son, and also let's say this is interglobe, so I will also change it to CNX Nifty CNS service sector. So I will set it to service sector. Service sector at what time frame? 15 minutes time frame. And I would like to choose, you know, you can always choose the scan here. So I would like to choose it in 5 minutes, let's say. So in a 5 minutes chart, if I scan in the running market, this particular scanner will give you this adjustment, that in a running market, what are the stocks in 5 minutes you should know which is going to do a momentum. So therefore these are the stocks which are going to have a momentum, where you have the, you know, father, grandfather, son, all are rising. So therefore it's a colossal momentum that is happening. We also have a squeeze kind of scenario here. So we also have, you know, everything crossed here, cross 60, and we also, which we don't have at the moment, that, you know, it has started rising. This yellow line has started rising. So all things are favorable. So I believe Indigo, with this particular setup which says there will be a big movement, it is going to happen on Monday morning in very first hour in the opening bell. So you might not have a chance to even buy it, because it can start off with a big candle here. And this is where we have taken a call at this particular level. So let us see, the moment, you know, it gives a big momentum, by 9:20 our trade would be over. This is how we should do a trade. So dear friends, so if you want to get this kind of things, you can always directly contact me, and then you know, start taking decisions, invest in your education, and make money. Work from home has become a new normal. So in the Stockshow setup, as usual, you know, we say that we trade mindset, candlesticks pattern. You will get the first setup, that is this particular setup. This is our basic setup, and then you can have add-ons and all those. It's a 2-day program, 3 days program, and then we have a big support for all the students, and the price is also given here. We also have option mastery, because option mastery needs very low capital. We do not teach you what is Greek, alpha, theta, gamma, open interest, volatility. We don't care. Our setup only picks up where I should enter and where I should exit, and why I should exit at what strike price. That's all. So therefore we have a table which explains everything. So this is a 4-day program, and it will cost you 55,000. So our master Fibonacci course is 1,50,000, which is basically in a 1-month course. But unless if you know Fibonacci, and we said that, you know, our entire stock market is dependent on support and resistance, so therefore you should understand support and resistance. So we have various programs here, so you can go through this. And the stock market is full of traps, so identifying the traps in advance. So therefore if I am taking an option here in this particular level, if I have taken an option here, how much it can go? Will it reverse from this particular area, or which area, or will it reverse from just a minute, let me resize it here. Now whether this is going to reverse from okay, whether this is going to reverse from this particular area, or is it going to reverse from this area. So exactly we know in advance that, so what is the area. So therefore whenever today we are at this level, right, at this level. So supposing you have entered at this level, how much you can go, you can always predict in advance. And you know, in this particular scenario, this particular setup, this CS Swarup trend, this trend also gives you support and resistance in the advance, and for how many bars it has not broken. For example, at 1673 level, this level was not broken in 74 bars, so that is supposed to be a good resistance here. So all those things can actually help you to really understand where to go and how much to go. And this bull trap and bear trap, this will work like a magic. So therefore when you are trading in option, you exactly know at this particular level that whether I should buy 1700 option or 1800 option. So therefore that will be the cheapest price here, because it is out of the money, and then once it goes up, the value will go up. So therefore you buy at cheap and sell at highest price. So this is this is all about bull trap and bear trap, and it works in equity, future, everything. Okay, and we have different kind of scanners here. So if you have your confusion, you can directly call me to have the scanner. We sell the scanners to our students at a discounted price, but for outsiders it is expensive. So therefore that's all from my side. We have tried to summarize everything. Be careful while doing trading on Monday, because I am expecting a correction at this level, because most of the sectors are looking tired. So therefore it might happen on Monday or Tuesday, but it will happen very soon. That is our expectation. If it does not happen, what we'll do, we'll always limit our thing to our levels. That's all. So this is that's all from my side. This is CA Shaurup Ghosh from Stock Show Tech. Bye bye. Have a great new year ahead.